Delta. The health and safety of our customers and crew is our #1 priority and the shared responsibility of everyone on board. So before we depart, please pay attention to this important message.
Stow all carry-on items in an overhead bin. Place smaller items completely under the seat in front of you and stow larger electronic devices.
Handheld, portable electronic devices, including mobile phones, should also be secured. If you lose an electronic device, please do not adjust your seat. Ask a crew member for help. Keep the aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas clear.
To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release, lift the top of the buckle.
Stay seated with your seatbelt fastened when the seat went down on the red tab at the bottom, or manually inflated by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. For children under 35 pounds, place the vest around your waist and secure the strap between the legs. See your safety card for more information. Additional life vests for in-lap children are in a marked compartment at the front of the plane. We'll distribute these vests if necessary.
Before takeoff, bring your seat to its upright position and stow your tray table. Ensure you fasten your seatbelt while tight across your lap. Carry-on items are secured and armrests are at the resting position.
Finally, take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket. As we finish our safety check, please let us know if you have any questions.
As we get ready for takeoff, please settle in. And from all of our crew, we appreciate you and thank you for flying with Delta.
You're flying our most connected aircraft to date, equipped with fast, free Delta Sync Wi-Fi and Delta Sync seatback, all available for free with your SkyMiles membership. Use your personal device to sign in to Delta Sync Wi-Fi and enjoy access to unlimited streaming, browsing, and messaging, plus exclusive offers and experiences from brands you love. Simply switch your device to airplane mode. You turn Wi-Fi on. Next, choose the DeltaWiFi.com network. If the Wi-Fi sign-in page does not open, go to DeltaWiFi.com using your browser. Sign in with your SkyMiles account. If you don't have a SkyMiles account, it's fast and free to sign up. But the connection doesn't stop there. Our Delta Sync seatback screen brings a smarter, more personalized experience right to your seat. We've got you covered with real-time travel updates and connected flight information, plus thousands of hours of new movies and trending series with recommendations just for you. Pick up where you left off with our receive watching feature and add your favorites to my list. To access, click the login button on the top right of the seatback screen. Then use your mobile device to scan the QR code and follow the instructions on the Fly Delta app to securely log in. Shortly after we've arrived at the gate, you'll automatically log out of your seatback screen. Make the most of your travel time and stay connected all flight long with Delta Sync.
So if you need any additional lighting, there is a reading light above your seat, as well as a flight attendant callback. Flight attendants, please pay the cap for departure. because we value your feedback and future responses to continue to improve your travel experience. On behalf of Delta, this is Carolina-based crew, and you'll have you on board. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a wonderful rest of your evening.